The legs fails reliably. Without gravity, pressing stomach contains down. Acid and particularly digested food easily push past the relaxed sprinters. This causes severe acid reflux, heartburn, and irritation to delicate esophageal lining. Breathing becomes risky. The epiglottis works less effectively when inverted food or liquid can easily leak into the trachea. This is inspiration. Even tiny amount entering the lungs can cause choking, infection, or pneumonia, which is life-threatening. Blood flows and condition. Being upside down shift body into your head, raising pressure in your eyes, sinuses, and brains. This causes dizziness, blurred vision, confusion, and loss of fine muscle control, making chewing, swallowing, and keeping food in your mouth nearly impossible to coordinate safely. Can any part of the body compensate? You might wonder if peristalsis moves food. Why can't it just push forward? Animals like snake or some fish have extremely powerful condition fertilizers that lets them move food against gravity. Human do not. Our muscles are far weaker in compression. Even highly trained athletes or yogis cannot safely eat solid food upside down. A tiny sip of water might be forced down with intestine effort, but this is not eating and it still carry risk. It's not a matter of willpower of training, it's biological limits. Practical and health consequences. Beyond failing to get food to your stomach, trying to eat upside down causes immediate choking hazard. No gravity keeps food away from your airway. Severe tissue damage. Stomach acids burning the throat, mouth, and even nasal passage. Lung injury. Aspiration can lead to permanent damage or infection. Disorientation and nausea. Combined with pressure in the head, this makes the experience unbearable and impossible to sustain. Eating while standing on your head is effectively impossible because number 1, gravity falls food the wrong way. Number 2, our esophagus and sphincters are designed to work with gravity, not against it. Number 3, peristalsis is too weak to overcome sustained inversion. Number 4, highly risk of choking, lungs damage, and acid burns. Our anatomy is built for upright livings. Fighting physics here doesn't just fall, it endangers your health. Why you can't eat while standing on your head? It all starts with gravity. The main reason is simple. Gravity and how our bodies are built. Human evolved to live upright, so our digestive system uses gravity to help move food from mouth to stomach. When you flip upside down, gravity forces everything towards your head. Exactly the opposite direction you need. Your body isn't designed to fight this force for eating. How digestion normally works. In upright position, you chew food into a soft mass. Swallowing triggers fermentation. Wave-like muscle is squeezed in your esophagus to push food down. Ring-shaped valves, sprinters, keep food moving one way and stop stomach acid from leaking back up. These muscles help gravity, they cannot fully welcome it for long. What goes wrong upside down? Food you want stay down. Gravity pulls food, saliva back towards your mouth. Peristalsis is too weak to push solid food upwards constantly. High choking risk. Gravity no longer keeps food away from your windpipe. It can easily slip into your lungs, aspiration which is dangerous and can cause infection. Acid reflux and burns. Stomach acid flows freely up into your throat, mouth, causing severe pain and tissue damage. Lost control. Blood rushes to your head, causing dizziness and poor coordination, making chewing and swallowing safely impossible. Can you train your body to do it? No. Unlike animals like snakes that have super strong digested muscles to move food in a direction, human muscles are not built for this. Even yogis or acrobats can barely manage tiny sips of water with a great effort, not actual eating, and it still carry serious risk. Quick summary. Eating upside down is impossible because number 1, gravity works against you. Number 2, your digestive muscles and valves are built for upright flows only. Number 3, extreme dangers of choking, lungs damage, and acid burns. Our anatomy matches our upright life. Fighting gravity here isn't just hard, it's unsafe.